All right, hey everybody, I'm Jason Rivard, co-founder of Granite AI LLC. We're based out in New Hampshire. Here's a quick demo of the BCC Bro application. I'm the guy that made the mistake. I'm the guy that decided to write some software to fix it. So, you add it to the Google Chrome Web Store. Boom, click Add to Chrome. Little pop-up here. Hey, by the way, read and change your data on mail.google. Well, of course we have to read the data. It doesn't go anywhere though, it stays local to your machine. Once we've got it installed, you go over here, click the extension itself. It says, welcome, your professional guardian. So you've got to activate a license. If you don't yet have a license, you could click Get License, where you're directed over to Secure Checkout by Lemon Squeezy. Here you would enter your information, pay by card, off you go. They email you a license key, which you then go ahead and pop back into your extension. Once you hit Activate License, checks it, GCP Secure Backend. Looks like, look at that, it's active. Next, reload your Gmail. And look at that, we've got a pop-up. Heads up, champ, you're on BCC. This works in read view, preview view, popped out view, all the different ones. Hope you enjoy it and hope it's some good insurance for your career.